Logos reflect your brand. It gives the first impression to your viewers, and your logo attracts potential clients. You need a logo creator that helps in giving life to your brand even without hiring anyone to do it and without you having any design or editing experience. If you want to have software that lets you easily, quickly, and economically design, tweak, and download logos, stick around to discover what it is about and get a special deal for you and your business. Welcome to softwaretrailers.com. Meet Build My Logo. You can rapidly create gorgeous logo designs using Build My Logo. Plus, you can simply enter the brand name to instantly receive more than 80 great-looking, entirely editable logo results. All logos are created in real time, and they can all be modified with little to no technological expertise. Logomaker provides you with PNG logos at high resolution, including transparent background, scalable vector logo files that are print-ready, ideal-sized logos for social media platforms, a brand manual that includes all the logo information, and editable business card templates that come with the logo. With Build My Logo, you can create logos in any language with a Latin script, German, Portuguese, French, Spanish, and much more. Furthermore, drafts of logos can be saved in the pins area and shared with clients for feedback. Plus, every month, new designs are added. You can also easily, quickly, and economically design, tweak, and download logos using Build My Logo's customized logo package for web professionals. The brand name is the only input required to get started. You can follow your update, and Build My Logo will produce hundreds of results for you to select from. Plus, you can choose a few logos for your client, send them over for review, and then move through with adjustments and purchases after getting the required response. Each complete logo kit includes a brand guide with details on the colors and fonts to be used, vector files, high-resolution PNGs, social media cuts, and editable business card designs. If you are interested in acquiring this software, you can get a very special deal just by clicking on the link below. What are you waiting for? Boost your business by having a perfect logo. Try Build My Logo now. Also, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers by visiting the following videos on the right side of your screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more interesting deals like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.